Hello everyone, it is Walt here. I also have my dog Scout with me on this video because need to take him out, so thought about shooting a video. I was like, might as well also, just have him in the video here. Two birds, one stone kind of thing. Speaking of birds, hey chickens. Okay, so as I was saying, it is time to, it is time, yes, to talk about doubt. Okay, so doubt. It was kind of just thinking a little bit about doubt as I was starting to get one of those more like kind of hangry moods after doing a bunch of work and not doing as much work as I desired to, partially. But then after that, I was kind of at a point where I was getting to this state of, doubting a lot of my decisions, just thinking, am I doing this right? How's it going, Scout? It's a bird. It's a bird, Scout. He's a little freaked out by that, which is pretty rare because, whatever. Anyway, but yes, doubt. So really, this is a case where you got to understand that doubt is not useful here. Doubt is not anything that can help us at all because, see, we question way too many things compared to what we should. I mean, I would say that's the case that our modern society has really kind of put us in. We kind of have a society where we question almost everything we think, everything we do. I think that there's always this voice saying, no, you're doing it wrong, you're not doing it right, you're doing it wrong, you're doing it wrong, you're doing it wrong. And we just kind of have this beat into us from an early age because, I mean, there are a few different kind of causes of it, but for example, this is something that was initially done very well in a lot of the various Asian school systems, and the US and a number of other countries really picked it up back in the 80s in order to try to teach some of the STEM stuff better. This is the whole like, oh no, we're getting beaten by China idea. And so they adopted some policies that really get people kind of beaten into a place, beaten down in their creativity, their risk-taking. And so whenever we think about doing anything almost these days, people get hit with this, no, you're doing it wrong, you're doing it wrong, you're doing it wrong. So we're really taught not to believe in ourselves, and we're taught just to doubt everything we think, everything we do. And most of us will live our entire life just doing this whole, I'm doubtful of, my entire, everything. Things that are obvious, things that are easy, people are still doubting every single bit of it, which is ridiculous here. So it's important just to understand that doubt here is not useful. And when you find yourself questioning, when you find your mind saying you're doing it wrong and you feel negative about it, okay? If you're feeling bad, it is always a fear-based emotion. So you don't want to go with that. Instead, realize that this is not a good thing here, that this is here to steer you wrong. Realize that fear is not powerful unless you give it power. So shove doubt aside here. When doubt shows up, say something that is going to really get you to feel desire. Like one of my favorite phrases is, I want it and I'll have it. If you can say that, you can spark desire. Think of that red hot desire, that desire that is so strong for what you want here. You can just pretend if you don't feel it. If you're doing some homework assignment or some, thing for work and you don't like it, you can just say, I want it and I'll have it. You can summon that state of mind to you. And when you do that, it really allows you to have a lot more success in beating doubt and really to get that voice to just shut up. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I'm Walt. This, of course, is Scout here, my blue heeler. Still training him and whatnot, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Check out some of my books on Amazon if you have not already done so. I have a bunch of free material over there, so just click on my name on my author page and whatnot, and there's a bunch of free books that I am always posting. Otherwise, you can always support it by buying some of my cheap books, because most of them are 99 cents with some useful stuff in them. Or not, up to you guys. Otherwise, just like, subscribe, share, all that kind of stuff. Let's get the world a-changing. So, thank you guys for watching. See you guys with the next video.